Automatic cutting machines are used in our factory to cut different types of cloth into a desired pattern. The patterns are firstly drawn using computers and then printed and laid on top of the cloth. Next, the auto cutter machine will cut through following the line pattern. Our auto cutter machine operates for 22.5 hours a day and able to cut with the distance of approximately 61,000 meters of cloth in a month. In our factory, we have 2 units of auto cutter machines which have hugely increased the production efficiency. Automatic strap machines are used in our factory to cut straps and assemble it with a slide accessory into one unit. These machines have helped us to simplify multiple operations into one machine. Our automatic strap machine operates for 14 hours a day with the output total 1.1 million pieces a month, an average of 3% chance of output defect. Automatic hook and eye machine will automatically assemble the hooks and its eye into the bra. This machine will simplify the assembly process from several operations to only one operation. Our automatic hook and eye machines operate for 14 hours a day with output around 60,000 pieces per month, with efficiency of 87%. Our newest addition to our technology is automatic sewing machine. This machine automatically attaches overlapping fabrics more accurately compared to manual operations. The objective is for the cloth to hold on to each other to have a perfect shape during molding process. We are currently observing this machine in order to maximize its potential for highest efficiency. Laser cutter machines are used in our factory to cut lace fabrics for bra accessories. Before cutting process, the lace will be laid down on a conveyor, and the machine are firstly set by the operator to get the desired pattern. Our laser cutter machines operate for 21 hours a day to have a maximum efficiency. The machine itself has a monthly throughput of 200,000 pieces with 12,500 meters of cutting distance. Real-time data display will be accessible through screens in the factory and our website. This real-time data aim for easier production monitoring by our management and also our buyers. Through this data display, we can see the data on weekly target, total output, and efficiency of each production line in real time.